Subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth interviews of India Inc. and press the bell icon so that you do not miss our updates.
Hello and welcome to Nirmal, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Hiral Dadia. We have with us Kunal Shah, Head of Commodities Research, joining in. Overall, Kunal, let's start with what's happening with crude. Uh, you have the US inventory data that has come in. A lot of commentary coming in with regards to where production cuts go as well. What's the sense that you pick up right now? Because uh, there is an anticipation that there is a possibility crude could move higher from here on.
Okay, first of all, I'll explain what is going on right now in the commodity market and what is basically major thing which is impacting the commodity market. So if you look at what has happened in last time when we spoke on Monday, we have been recommending to see we are expecting some profit taking. We saw major profit taking in gold and silver, and even for when gold silver corrected, other commodities also corrected. Now, as first your question is regarding crude. Crude oil fundamentals are not very bullish, but the fact is that U.S. oil production declined this week also, and because of that, we've seen some support coming in. But I think at current juncture, 30 to 30, 30 to 40 maximum upside, what I am expecting. I am recommending to go short in crude oil for the downside target of 3100 to 3090.
Hmm.
It can come down, and not expecting it to immediately shoot up. So put a strict stop loss and you can go short in crude oil. The reason for that is that the dollar is expected to strengthen marginally from here, and commodity may witness some profit taking. So in crude and in metals, we have not seen any profit taking, which can come. So that will make the market healthier. So that are my rationals to go short.
Right. And overall, with regards to where, if you have to talk about gold as well as silver, today you are seeing pressure that's coming in with regards to where gold prices are concerned. Do you think that's going to be a phenomenon that could continue where you could see some bit of profit booking on both the metals?
Okay, gold and silver is very volatile, and I'll give you very clear view. So from
Hmm.
50,000, gold prices went up till 55,000. Uh, I'm not talking about the extreme peak which we saw 56 and all, but from there we saw correction back to 50, and again from 50 we are at 50 to 500. So I think that the very long term is bullish, but everyone who are joining this webinar, they are basically joining for the trading view, and my trading view is we've already seen significant upside. So sell on rallies for the trading perspective. It should not go up significantly from these levels. So even silver, I'm expecting, sell the rally 67,000, 66,500. So for short term, whatever upside we have seen in gold and silver, I think it should not be taken off immediately until something, geopolitical concerns comes up, or some big deterioration in the equation of between US and China. But my sense is that understand the speculation here. No one is bearish on gold and silver, even though it corrected so much. It is still, everyone is like it will become 300, $3,000, $2,500. It's not going to happen immediately. So immediately we are traders, and for traders I recommend, we've seen significant upside from lows what it made on Tuesday, and now I will not recommend to go long. So I had been gold bull and silver bull, but for traders these are not fine. जो भी spike आता है, try to sell those values.
Right. And what's the sense that you pick up right now with regards to base metals?
Yeah, so base metal also same view. It has not shown any correction. Fundamentals are very strong, but I'm expecting on some correction to come in base metals also. Copper 506, 507 shorted, 511 should be the stop loss, 500, 499 should be the target. Same with, nickel can be shorted for the downside target of 1060. And I'm expecting profit taking in base metals for evening session. So even you can go short in most of these base metals. But like in gold silver, I will not say the trend has turned bearish in base metals.
Right. And anything that looks good on the agri commodity side?
Nothing much. Some profit taking after major rally in Guar seeds. Some profit taking expected. Another 50 to 80 rupees down. But the trend is bullish. So I recommend to accumulate in those decline.
Right. And what about soy? Because soy was something where you did have a positive view in between. Does that change now?
Soybean also same. India's production is going to be higher than last year, but internationally because of La Nina, the US or the South American production is likely to get adversely affected. So international will not go down. Domestic, the higher crop expectation will still lead to some pressure, but 3,500 seems to be the bottom, and gradually it should go up and cross below 4,000 in next 2 3 months. So no intraday view, but the long term view is still intact.
Right. So that's with regards to an agri commodities. So I don't think so. We have any questions coming in from participants. So thank you so much, Kunal, for joining, and thank you, participants, as well. We will see you back on Monday. Thank you.